This is gonna blow your mind. The console we've all been waiting for in 2024 has finally landed, and it's a total game changer. Forget everything you know about gaming consoles. This new beast is set to shatter all the limitations of current systems. Say goodbye to laggy gameplay and poor graphics. This console's got the horsepower to run the most demanding games like butter. But that's not all. With seamless gameplay recording and a revamped controller optimized for both comfort and performance, this console is built with you in mind. And let's talk exclusives, a whole new world of games designed to fully exploit this powerhouse's capabilities. Imagine games so immersive, you'll forget you're even playing. And the standout feature? Fully immersive virtual reality that's gonna make you feel like you've stepped into another dimension. Gamers, the future is here, and it's never looked this good. Drop your thoughts in the comments and check out my other videos for more epic gaming updates. Thanks for watching, and game on!